So today we are going to explore Funnelish new editor version. We'll check the UI design and the features or the new features they implement. We're going to dashboard analytics. So it's quite similar to the old one. And funnels, there are funnels list. It's quite similar also. If you can go to any funnels, then this is the new interface. It's bit updated and also easy to navigate every steps, and most of the settings bit similar, not much changes, but in editing mode is there are some very interesting updates. And we see there are some new templates added to their template list, and if we can create add new funnels, then here's again the template list. If we can use default template and blank template, it will show this step like this. This new step added option with difference. Like if we can create a new step, use default template. No, we can create a blank template. It should give us option to add name, like advertorial, then advertorial slag, and then the step type. This is also nice. Let's select and create. Okay. There is also multiple variations of the advertorial, so it will be very easy to test which advertorial or which page will work better conversion. Like if we want, we can create add a new variation. So the one option we can just duplicate it, and another option we can create new page under the advertorial steps. And duplicate revisions, if we can create click on the editor, it show update to new editor recommended. So it has the legacy editor, current editor is updated, so we can continue with that. Okay, there are some new features like repeaters and carousels. So previously, it was hard to add any carousel section, so we can use custom code and also media carousel here. And image slider, it was previously, but there are some extra features added for responsiveness. So I will show step by step, no problem. Like if we can drag, let's check the another settings like layout properties. Okay, these options is bit similar, not fully changed. And you see every properties have the responsive option. This is the biggest update, and I really appreciate it because on the previous version the editing like responsive mode editor was not available, so you can easily change the colors or font size and everything for desktop, mobile, and tablet differently. Okay. So as the font family, like if we can add Poppins. Okay, let's take a section, and you see there's a visible option already here, and full width and background cover. Okay, so if we can add two columns and drag a image slider here. Sorry. Okay, and we see this is the product selected option. Like, um, if we can select any product, maybe I didn't explore it. It's when check the image is currently selected product or variant will be shown instead. So is there option to add product list? Not sure. Like, okay, I just added some images on the product image carousel or image featured image slider. And you see, there are some new options like if we can select image and let's check the text of height and width. And if we can select the image height like 500 and width max width. Okay, we can set the max width. What like width will be added to the based on the height, and there's a good option like if we can add multiple sizes images. Then previously Funnelish was not uh, fix the height automatically. Like if we can set the image feed cover, you see the current images like all of the images showing background size covered and the height also same. So this is the mean height, and if we hold it here, sorry, okay, mean height like okay 500 and it's covered. So image size right now this is the 300. We can remove it and just put the uh, image slider mean height, and you see it's fully covered for all images. If the image size different, so it's not okay. So we can fix it by like this, like mean height of the main carousel 500 and also the image height 500. So it will be perfectly working now, I hope. Yeah, and also we can adapt it for mobile, but the previous version will duplicate the same image slider and change the height, image height and thumbnail height for mobile. But right now there's the option for responsive. Like if we select set the height like 800 and width also 800, sorry, uh, 80 pixel for the carousel thumbnails. And let's go to the mobile. You see the same height applied. Now we can easily change the height for mobile like 400. Here's also 400 and it should be fi- 60. Yeah, so you don't need to duplicate, easily fix it. Let's save it. Border box shadow, this is easiest to hand. There's another good options like if you want you can add custom css class here. Like if you can add my slider, then this class will apply here, and we can if we need to add custom css then we can select this class name and then we can add the custom css here. Also there's option to add dynamic data, but we don't need to use it right now as the click interaction options here also, but we don't need this for sliders. And right side there's the heading. Okay, and see this is a bit modern style like heading top and bottom right now. Top bottom and left right. If we can click this, it will expand to uh, for like all side, top bottom left right. So you can easily give padding and margin as we need. And there's also hide option, but we don't need hide for email title. Background color, jet index. So all the options are right now easy to navigate and uh, more user friendly. So if you want, if you can easily add hover effect, like if I can select hover and add background color, then go to default and let's check the hover state in preview because editing mode maybe not work. Like it's working when hover, then the background color changed. That was not possible on previous version. So I can remove the hover state, delete. Okay, let's check another new features like repeaters. I can just drag it and you see on two, three container maybe here. Let's add any item here. Sorry, let's add a paragraph. Okay, it's apply for all of them the same content. So not sure how is it apply here or what's the benefit. Okay, but we don't need this for right now because same content will not repeat it if they allow like uh, repeated list item and just after that we can change the title and icons manually, then it will work. So I hope right now this option's not I fully not understand how we can use it, so I can skip it. And let's check the carousel. And yeah, carousel slider is really good option to add carousel images or carousel products or carousel reviews or many option you can apply for this section like image. You can add, you can skip it. Like you can drag a review product list. Let's drag a review. We don't need three reviews, we just need one of them. So let's remove other two. Let's select the carousel again and we remove the others. And now just uh, duplicate this on and drag it to bottom and again add, sorry, let's select the carousel add new slide, and then drag it here. Let's check if it's work or not. Yeah, it's working perfectly. So looks like Trustpilot real carousel. Let's check the mobile responsive. It's also mobile responsive. So you can just add some paddings left and right to fix the space. Left 20, right suppose 30. Yeah. And then check new elements. Media carousel is a bit similar. Add video or images as you want. Okay. Save. It's good option for media review slide sections, like video or image reviews. We can put it like top, then we can put the text reviews. These three new items we explored, and yeah, this is the basic elements. It's quite similar, and before after slide are also good option. And most of the biggest changes here, like their layout of is properties, like this sidebar. Let's check the checkout step. Checkout, and add new product on time. Product added option are similar that was previous. Create product. Here's the price and description. Like, to- you can set it right side, bold. Let's add a new color. And then free shipping. Dot bold. Let's make the color red. It should be case for okay product image. Just I can add a random image, not correct on. Selected by default, hide from product list, highlight. Most of the similar options already added here. Colors like highlight color. Best selling 20% up, and save. We can just duplicate this item 2x. list value. Okay, I can add another one to check the layout. Because Funnelish app currently there are many options they updated, but still there are limitations. So we can use custom code because they have custom code added feature available, and we can do like a lot of customization by custom coding. So uh, 50. Let's edit. Go to the checkout page. Mm, product list. There is no product list here. Cart. Okay, let's add a section here. Two column. And left side we can add product list. Sorry. Right side order summary. And then billing information. Why the images are not showing? Let's check. Okay, we'll look it later. Let's select the section, and you see the previously in the old version there was not option to add column spacing or row spacing, but here's you see spacing option. So you don't need to again take new container and give spacing. So it help us for designing more smoothly. Let's keep margin top. Sorry, 30. Save and CTA. Let's add a CTA button. Right side also cart save. Let's check the preview. Okay, the bundle style quite similar, not updated. So we can easily customize it using custom CSS and JS. And these options also similar, not fully customized, but editing mode are more flexible, as I told before. So let's, yeah, that's it. This is the core features they updated. And let's check apps. Is there any new apps they added? The previous apps already here, not any new app. Analytics, customers, orders, ratings, admin panel. Most of the features are quite similar. Just they update their editing style and editing options. So practice it and subscribe my channel, and I will share more tips and tricks and tutorials that will help you to learn Funnelish and create custom funnels and features. And if you need any help, then contact with me in WhatsApp. I will put in the link in the description. So thank you.